So I have sent an automated WhatsApp message to each customer, or you can say to each lead detail I had in my spreadsheet. And I have not done this manually, but I have simply created this amazing automation to do this. So now you have seen how this bulk WhatsApp messaging works. But now let's see how we can set this bulk WhatsApp messaging for our own business. To do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that using this bulk messaging automation, you can send 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. What you have to do, you just have to choose your plan, go in this have a coupon and then type the coupon code, which is RITYT. Click on this apply and you are going to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And this discount coupon code is just for you, so go check it out. But first, try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Sheets. For the event, we have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Now you're going to receive this webhook URL. Without giving a second thought, just copy this webhook URL from the button over here and open your spreadsheet. So make sure you open the same spreadsheet and the same sheet for which you want to create this automation. So I have the details of the ones to whom I want to send bulk WhatsApp messages in the spreadsheet only. So I've opened this sheet. Now what we have to do, go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now we have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and make sure to select this one. And make sure to install this extension right from here. As you can see that it is showing me uninstall because I've already installed this. If you haven't installed this, it is going to show you the button of install over here. Just click on this button and automatically this extension will get installed. After this extension is getting installed, what you have to do is just have to refresh your spreadsheet. It is a very important step. Once this extension is installed, you have to make sure to refresh your spreadsheet. It is very important. Otherwise, you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks right over here in your extensions tab. Once you see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then towards this initial setup. It is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So just paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column. So for me, this is the webhook URL and the trigger column is D. So why is this trigger column D? Because I want to send this 4 details towards my workflow and I want that only these 4 details, which is name, email and number, should be sent towards my workflow and then my workflow should get triggered. If you have 5 such details or 6 details, your trigger column will depend upon that. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which of the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So choose it accordingly. Now click on this submit button right over here and it is saying setup configured successfully. So yes, this means that we've created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, click on this button which says send test. Once you click on this button, it is going to say test data sent successfully and enter the first row details over here. So it is saying that it has sent these first row details towards my workflow. So let's open my workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response. It might take few seconds and then automatically Pabbly is going going to capture the response for the first row over here. Once this response is captured, you have to make sure that you go on your spreadsheet, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. It is very important. I'll just let you know further why. Okay, so now after switching on this button, we have to move on further and click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to select the application using which you're going to send automated WhatsApp messages. So I am going to use Pabbly Chatflow, so I'm just going to search for Pabbly Chatflow. You can use any another application too, like Vati, AI Sensi, WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly supports all of them. Now you just have to select the application. For the event, I'm just going to select the event as send text message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and then it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just open your Pabbly Chatflow account, and once you open your Pabbly Chatflow account, you have to click on this access now button right over here to go towards the dashboard. After you come on the dashboard of your Pabbly Chatflow account, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number, you're going to find the tutorial attached, and using this tutorial you can add your WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow. And after you add your WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow, you are good to go. Over here, I'll just let you know that this amazing discount coupon code not only works for Pabbly Connect but also for Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Okay, so now to get the token from the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then towards this API and webhooks. We're going to find the Pabbly Chatflow API token. So just copy this token right from here and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this, click on the save button and your Pabbly Chatflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And now I've already entered this token, so I'm just going to click on the select existing connection and then save, and now my account is connected successfully. Now we have to enter this recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So from where we're going to get that? So we have the WhatsApp number in our spreadsheet and we have captured the response for the same. So we're just going to enter the same WhatsApp number over here. But we're not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically a data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So it is very important that you map this WhatsApp mobile number. So put a slash and then search for the number and map it like this. And now it is asking me for the WhatsApp message. So I want to send an automated WhatsApp message, something like this. So I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. And in this message, first of all, I'm just going to correct the formatting, and I'll just let you know that if you want to bold some text, what you can do is you can put the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which you want to bold. So like I want to bold this hi name, so I'm just going to put the star in the starting and in the end. Over here, instead of this name, I'm just going to map the name of the lead so that we can send personalized WhatsApp messages. After completing this WhatsApp message, it is asking me for many another details. So if you want, you can fill it out, otherwise leave it as blank. Switch on this keys button, delete whatever is written right over here, and click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. Because over here in the help text, it is clearly mentioning that enter the recipient WhatsApp mobile number with the country code but without the plus sign. Not only this, we have to ensure that the mobile number is active on WhatsApp. So you have to make sure that the details which you're using has the mobile number which are active on WhatsApp. This was a test workflow, so I use test details. So now let's just click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we are going to receive a positive response right over here that we have successfully sent this message. So let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see yes, this message is sent to smart user. But I don't only want to send this message to smart user but to everyone whose details I have in this spreadsheet. So for that, you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Once you click on this send all data, it is saying working, so you have to wait, and one by one automated WhatsApp messages will be sent to each customer or to each lead details you had in your spreadsheet. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which you created right now, which is bulk WhatsApp messaging. So go and try this amazing bulk WhatsApp messaging for your own business, and when you do this, I bet that you are not going to get blocked, because if you use Pabbly Chatflow is an official WhatsApp API key provider, so this is safe for you. One another tip, like if you're using this bulk WhatsApp messaging, make sure that the list of the customer which you're using are not the random ones. So what happens is people just take out the list from somewhere, download it, and start bulk WhatsApp messaging on them. So the user or your lead just click on this not interested or report button, and that's the major reason of your number getting blocked. So make sure that you use a very good list to use this bulk WhatsApp messaging. Okay, and apart from this, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. My team is going to help you out. I told you that you have to switch on this button because now what is going to happen is, apart from this list, if you enter the new details right over here, automated WhatsApp message will be sent towards them too, because this button is switched on. Okay, so go and try this amazing automation, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.